Hey guys, Gamerlord here, and today with a video. Today I am doing the photoshopping thingy, which I said I would do. I'm taking your suggestions, and if you want to suggest more, then just leave them in the comments. So let's get started. So Michael wanted me to Photoshop Dutch from Red Dead, so let's see who is. Okay, so I assume this is him, so so we'll use him. I've already got some ideas of what I'm gonna do to him. Oh dear. Here we are. Let's see what we can do. Okay guys, so this is oh god, this is Dutch from Red Dead photoshopped. Thanks for the suggestion, Michael, and let's go on to the next person. So Ella suggested that I'd turn Justin Bieber into an alien. So challenge accepted. Okay, yep, this one. Okay, so thanks for the suggestion, Ella. Oh god. So yeah, here's what I created. Justin Bieber, the alien. So yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing. So Connor suggested that we Photoshop Miley Cyrus. He did suggest some others, but I'm just gonna do Miley Cyrus for the last bit of the video because I've been recording for almost an hour and 20 minutes now, so... Oh god, that is actually even better, and even better quality. So, yeah, let's go with that. Oh my god, I remember photoshopping her before. Oh, and I used this image. Let me see if I can find it. Oh my god, yeah, look, I used the, same chicken. This is, what I photoshopped, like, ages ago when I had CS2, didn't have CC. This is like one of the first things I've ever created. Oh my god. Anyway, right, moving on to what we're supposed to be doing. I really don't know what I was thinking. It's just, you know, a chicken on a plate with Miley dripping blood and evil eyes, and you know, it's normal. There we go. So, there's the last thing I've photoshopped. So I really want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching, please hit that like button, and also suggest what you want me to Photoshop next video. It might not be for the next video because I've got other things I need to Photoshop because I didn't actually do all the suggestions because I had quite a few actually. But anyway, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.